Choosing the right business software can save you a lot of time. Today we are comparing Odoo and Zoho One. Both Odoo and Zoho One are all-in-one business platforms. They help you manage things like CRM, accounting, HR, and more all in one place. Let's start with Odoo. Odoo is a modular system. You can choose only the apps you need, like sales, inventory, or accounting. It's highly customizable and works well for growing businesses. Now, Zoho One. Zoho One is a complete suite with 40 plus apps included. Everything is already integrated, so you don't need to set up much. It's great for businesses that want an all in one solution out of the box. Here's the main difference: Odoo is more customizable and flexible. Zoho One is more ready to use and easier to manage. Looking at features, Odoo offers deep customization, open source flexibility, and strong ERP tools. Zoho One offers a wide range of apps, smooth integrations, and a consistent interface. In terms of ease of use, Zoho One is easier to start and use daily. Odoo can take more setup but gives more control. Now, pricing: Odoo can be cheaper if you only use a few apps, but costs increase as you add more. Zoho One has a fixed pricing model for the full suite. So Odoo is better for flexibility and customization. Zoho One is better for simplicity and all-in-one convenience. So which one should you choose? Choose Odoo if you want control and custom workflows. Choose Zoho One if you want everything ready in one package. Both are powerful. It depends on how you run your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.